잠시 후 좌회전하세요. 이어서 우회전하세요.
Good morning, welcome back to the channel. Checkout day in Jeju. I'm going back to Seoul today. My flight is in 2.5 hours, so I've literally just finished packing up and then I'm going to head down to the airport. The airport's only 10 minutes from here, not too far, and then it's a quick flight back to Seoul. I think it's about an hour, just over an hour. So I've got some more accommodation booked. Different part of town this time. I really like the last place, but I could do with a workspace to be able to do all my editing and stuff. And it was fine doing it in the kitchen back at the place in Seoul, but there's obviously people in and out of the kitchen all the time, so you had to wear a mask. Probably been a little bit spoiled last couple of places. I've had a nice desk, somewhere to work from, and it's been really good. So I found a place in quite a cool part of town in Seoul. I think it's called Mapu-gu. So yeah, so I've had an amazing 2 weeks here. It's been great. That Han was here for Wednesday till Friday. He very kindly got a hire car and we managed to get around the island. So I've pretty much done everything that I wanted to do. I did want to go up the volcano. So a couple of days I planned to do it. The weather was just really bad. It was just raining, so I just didn't bother doing it. But never mind. I can always come back. So I've been here for 2 months now. 1 month to go. Albeit I am going to go to the immigration place next week and see about getting an extension. Obviously don't really want to go back to the UK at the minute where things are, So I'm going to ask if my visa can be extended, and hopefully they might give me another couple of months. Great if they give me another 3 months. But I'll just have to see what they say and see if it's possible to stay for longer in Korea. But I'll only know about that from next week. I don't really know what I need to do. So yeah, so let's get my boots on, let's get my bags, let's get out of here, let's get to Jeju Airport. See you soon.